I'm Yura. I'm the creator of Kasway. Now I will be guiding you to participate on final alpha test of Kasway. And yeah, let's go. First, you need to prepare a wallet. I've prepared one. This wallet will be the business wallet, your business wallet. So I will connect this wallet 0LW and just click connect to wallet and connect using Kasway. And we have onboarding page here. We can click agree and continue. Let's say I have United States dollar. Okay, let's continue. And we got proxy address. Proxy address is where you receive your payment. Imagine, like, maybe I want it to be here, to be on the Castle wallet. You can use any wallet, like, I don't know, maybe Tangem or something, and paste in here, and I will give it a name like what is the name of this? Oh, right, Castle. My Castle wallet. This is not limited just on the browser wallet. You can use anything. You can use your ledger address, you can use your Tangem address, etc, etc. But yeah, this proxy address really useful if you want, like you don't want to receive it here because you might be on your your working PC. I don't know, maybe you are in the office and you don't have access to the wallet. Not the wallet, you share access to the PC, which is commonly used on Asia. But yeah, you got the idea. The You use the proxy address to avoid receiving the fund in this browser wallet. So let's continue. F7. Okay, let's continue. And here we go. We have fee payer. This is the option you can set up. You can set, like, if you like to pay the service fee. Anyway, Kasway asks for service fee as small as 0.25. This is not final, but I hope we can do as low as possible, but 0.25 is the minimum required. Otherwise, lower than that will be consumed by the UTXO, by the miners. So we got 0.25 as the sweet spot, as the minimum transferable amount. We needed to keep the lights on, so yeah, you can choose if you want to pay or you let your customer to pay. So if you choose this one, you will receive the full amount of the fund they are paying for your product. But if you use this one, my business, you will receive the amount of their purchases minus the 0.25 Kaspa on your wallet. So let's go to let's use my business here and click continue. I will explain everything on here. So in the last step, you have this review and verify. This step is optional, but you can verify everything set up before you are selling your product. So You have a quick recap here about the preferred currency you choose. It can be USD, IDR, rupee, or etc. And you have enabled a proxy address, and the fee payer will be my business, and receiving address is my Castle wallet, with the address is 3 triple F7. Let's see, 3 triple F7, and you can perform a test payment if you like to, but let's skip this for example. I will explain a bit more about this. We got test amount. This is amount to use for testing. At least one ticket required to do this, and the service fee is flat 0.25, and the expected request amount is where is the amount your customer will see. You know, the customer will see one ticket because you pay for the service fee. But if you go back and select my customer as the fee payer, it will show like 1.25, and your customer will be paying this 0.25 fee for you, right? Okay, let's go. Let's keep on the business. Okay, let's complete the setup, and here we go. We have a dashboard or dashboard. In here you can see sales summary this week and this year, and you can see which product are bestseller at all time, and you can review latest transaction, and you can refresh data, fetch by it, finish, confirm, receive, pending, cancelled. But yeah, let's go to creating our product. This one is category. You can manage your category or just simply skip it, and let's register a product. Maybe I have think about Big Mac. Category is food, and the price is, I don't know what is the price of Big Mac on United States. Let's go $50. Okay, we got the Big Mac, and I got like Coca-Cola. Category is drinks, and maybe I don't know, $10 maybe. Okay, we got French fries, and it foods. Price will be $10 as well, and I think I want like a bundle, Big Mac bundle, right? Maybe not. Let's see. I want to set an option, normal size. There will be no addition in price, and let's go large, and will be $5 addition, USD 5. Oh, this is a bug. I will need to fix this, but yeah, you get the idea. You get like $5, 554 tickets. Yeah, 550 is 54.41, and $5 is 54. Okay, so we got our product. So the next thing is to create a team. In Kasway, by the way, in Kasway, you have to have a team. Even if you work alone, you have to create a team. So This on this case, I'm working alone, but I want to be acting as the cashier. So we need to create a team, call it main team, and the member's name is you Yuka with double U Yuka, and the password is passport. See, I have a team. In here I can view the detail, see their performance, and on this week or on this year to see their overall performance sales, just to get a quick insight of how the teams are doing. In below here you can add a new member if you want to. You can select a member or a leader, and anyways, member is the one who act as the cashier. So the leader is the one you trust to manage your product, etc., etc. They will be able to create categories, to create products, and even manage their own teams, like adding new members on their team. And yeah, but they cannot see um the statistic, you know. Even if you trust them, you they should not be able to see your entire revenue, because this panel will calculate the entire revenue of the sum of every team's payment, right? So the only way he can get to see that is here, right here. He can only see their own team's performance, their own team sales. So the leader can decide what should be improved and what what should be added or removed. You got the idea, but to make it efficient, you know. Okay, I think that is enough for the dashboard. So let's log in to the cashier. We should sign out and go to the team login. Let's log in with the username, which is Yuka with double U, and the password is password. Alright, you have already entered the cashier here. The price is automatically updated. You know, this is a bug. The price is automatically updated every 1 minute. So let's see. Imagine I have a customer. They are ordering for one Big Mac, lots one, and one French fries, and one Coca-Cola. The total should be 810 tikas. So let's proceed to payment. After proceeding this payment, it will generate a payment address using Kaspa RPC, but here we currently having problem about course issues, from which it prevents the address to be generated. If you experience this, simply refresh it and redo everything from scratch. This only happens once, right? The issue only happens once. Let's go repeat the previous step. We have a customer wants a Big Mac with large size and French fries and one Coca-Cola. The total is 810. Proceed to payment, and here we go. We now have the QR code, but Now, how do we test the payment flow? You might we we can use something like Caspium, but I'm not recommended. I'm not recommending using Caspium because for this test one, of course, because Caspium is a little bit complicated, where you have to, you know, when you want to connect to testnet, you have to like using a not URL or IP address. So I'm not sure, because when I try using a URL, I can connect anywhere. So I made a wallet, a new wallet specifically for payment, for easier payment. You can go to the Discord channel. On the Kaspa Discord channel, you go to software ecosystem projects. In here I have already announced a link for you to download it. Click on the bottom, click on this link. Anyway, this project is open source. You can verify it before clicking on the before downloading, so you can basically trust, or I don't know, you can verify if it's safe or not. You decide, and you click on the aprilisk.apk and download it. After it's done downloading, let's install it. And we got it installed. Let's open it and ignore this blank space. I'm still working on it, but it already working on mainnet on testnet too, but I wouldn't recommend using it for daily transaction yet, only for testing purposes, right? Let's create new wallet. Skip this recovery phase because I just demoing it. Enter your pin, use fingerprint. Yes, I like to use it. And there you go, you are on the main panel of your wallet. Now you have to like switch to the testnet network. To do that, you have to click on this button, and it will show the option. Click on the testnet 10 and click OK, and it will switch to testnet 10. And then all we have to do is to get some tickets, right? To get some tickets, and to get tickets on it, you have to copy your address using this button. It will show a QR code where people can scan and send it to your wallet. But let's click on the copy to clipboard and head to the browser. Let's go to faucet. Paste it in here. Let's go 1000. Submit. And there you go, we have 1000 tickets. And we go back and see. Okay, we have received 1000 tickets here. And let's go for the payment. To make a payment, you can click on this button on the middle in the bottom, scan to pay. It will show a camera, just accept it, and we can go here and just simply submit the transaction. And there you go, you got your payment. We can see the progress here. I think something is broken. Let me see. Okay, it is working. Okay, nothing is broken. It is just a network issue, I think. Let's confirm that. So we got our payment. We have received our payment. We have due some payment. And I wanna see if, let's see the report. Let's log out and log back in. I think both is broken because it requires, you know, let's connect to the wallet. Alright, I got this. Okay, we got it ready in here. You can see view the detail. You can see the payment ID 54. The amount requested is 810 and amount transferred is 809.75 because you pay 0.25 cash to Kasway, and it is transferred to my Castle wallet C3 triple F7, and the service fee is 0.25 Tcas. Status is finished, and you can see here network is Kaspa. You can see transaction ID is 5A6, payment address A8PFML, then their payment, their order you can view on Explorer as well. Let's see. Okay, and let's talk about the proxy address. See, right now the currently connected wallet is SD0LW, but let's check this. SD0LW, we have no fun in this, so where do it go? Well, if you remember previously, we have set a proxy address in which our payment will be redirected to my Castle wallet. See, it explains this, my Castle wallet. So let's check on my Castle wallet, and there you go. I have like 814 now. Let's see if it's correct. Let's see for a moment. And we receive like 809.7, and let's see on this part 809.7. That is correct, and there you go. You have your wallet, you have your payment. And by the way, if you have a second screen, you could do something like this. Let's Yuka password. You could do something like this. Go to the kasway.xyz/display, right? Then detach it. I don't know, maybe you have a second screen on your back of your computer, so people can just directly scan it. And imagine this is two separate screen, right? Two separate screen. This is the one you are using for selecting payments, and this one is where your customer will see Maybe you have a promotional video on that, like shown like this, like shown right now. Maybe you have it and you want to display your product, and yeah, you can set a payment again, and when you proceed, it will show right here on your second screen, not on your primary screen. This is useful if you have two screen like I have explained about before, but I think we got a problem here. This should be able to cancel, but you get the idea. I will be fixing this soon, but yeah, you have it. You can perform a payment right now. um, I'll be very excited to have some feedback from you guys, and for the issues like this I really need your opinion, and I will be fixing it soon, because previously made I've spent some time with the wallet because Caspium is a little bit complicated, and I try to simplify it. But yeah, happy testing. Thank you very much. See you later.